can be in any color. They can be blue like the sea or white like the clouds. Some people shatter our dreams, and the fragments remaining are often so small they lose their color and sink into oblivion. My mother says life molds people into any shape it wants. People accept these molds and surrender to them even if they are imposed by other people. It's like this clay that I can shape into any form I desire. It is at my mercy. I control its dreams as well. I am Abdullah. I am building an army to protect the camp. This is my army. This is our camp, a place in the Somali capital city of Mogadishu. Many people live in this camp. All of them have come from different towns and villages. There is a water faucet next to the camp where I get water for our tent and my soldiers every day. Our village is very far and we come here on foot. This is our tent. I live here with my mother and sisters. My father was killed in the war a few years ago. My mother says the war will eventually end and all of us will go back to our village. This voice is normally heard here. Like my brother, many of them got sick on the way and died, and many of them die at the camp. This voice is normally heard here, even more than the sound of the hawks hovering above the camp. And even louder than the sound of the sea nearby, the roar of which is all we can hear. My mother says the sea is the only thing left of Mogadishu. She says, before the war, roughly 20 years ago, this used to be a beautiful coastal city, one of Africa's most beautiful cities, the Pearl of Africa. This is my friend Abed. He also lives here at the camp. Abed helps me prepare the soldiers and weapons. I have a lot of soldiers. I left many of them at our village to protect it. We need an even bigger army to protect the camp, though. Again, the roar of the sea. It's crying. Sometimes I feel the sea is coming to see us. I think it's here, behind the camp. Me and Abed look around the camp, but we daren't go out. It's not safe out there. I wish we could go out and see what it looks like to swim and play in it. Every morning, me and Abed go to school. We learn how to recite the Quran.
جاء حديث موسى إذ ناداه ربه بالوادي المقدس طوى اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى